Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 2132 MYKOLA Road in Walworth.
This is a spectacular newer ranch home, the absolute best of one-floor living with scenic pond and nature views.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Welcome your family and guests with this covered entry and spacious foyer featuring a wonderful bench seat and tile floor, opening to the great room.
This is phenomenal one-floor open living with an entertainment-sized great room, featuring a designer granite kitchen with gorgeous Aristocraft cabinetry, newer appliances, a tile backsplash, and a center island breakfast bar. Open to the dining area with a picture window and a recessed ceiling. A spacious living area with a stunning gas fireplace with a stone surround and rustic beam mantel, plus French doors to the hallmark of this home, the waterfront view sunroom, with a wall of windows with views of the waterfall and fountain that'll take your breath away.
The excitement continues with this grand first floor primary suite, with a recessed box ceiling and pond views, plus a spacious walk-in closet and a beautiful bath. The first floor also features two other bedrooms, one used in an office, a bathroom, and a laundry with nearby access to the walkout lower level.
This walkout lower level has high ceilings, a huge storage or workshop area, plus additional living space with a full bathroom. The possibilities are endless. All with access to this beautiful patio, with scenic views of this waterfront nature's paradise, with a tranquil waterfall and hiking trails out your back door.
The quality craftsmanship of this beautiful home is evident in the details. This home has a great location in the cottages with other fine homes, with easy access to the town of Penfield and a short commute to Rochester.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 2132 MYKOLA Road in Walworth.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!